My 25th day assignment, 25th date assignment is about making different API using axious. So first, in first API, write a get API of vaccination session district by ID. So I created here uh, in a in a Setu controller. In Setu controller, first of all, this link I got from the Setu API website. From here, I got this okay, district by ID. Uh, okay, sorry. Find by district. Find by district. I used this API uh, path, and here is a server path. So this combination, shows the key here. This is the Covin. But this is direct, and this is the local host. Here I created one router named Covin get district wise route, and given this both query with get ID. So what I do? So first of all, this query I got here. I will get here in data both a query in a object type, and after that ID and date. No, sorry, no object type. ID and data. I give I will get here. Here is I use a dollar sign, so I can every time here dynamic value can be put, and I created one JSON file, a JSON name, method and URL, and this option, this JSON I used here directly in Axios. Axios, whatever we get in Axios, it will be stored into the result, and the result.data field has our data. So we extract result.data in data, and then we show the response data into data. I think we can write data into data. So let's see here. My server is already started, and server based API here is. So here I got. I create a 500 bar. First, this is district ID, and this is the date. Date wise, it shows me data. Here is my first API completed, and here I use get method, and second API is about weather controller. In weather controller, first my first task is to create a API get city weather. So I get city weather. I get city weather um, from request dot query dot city. Uh, request dot query dot city. What I catch here, I catch here city name, and it will be used dynamically in here. Okay, and this API is got I got from uh, it's a open weather website, and it is free to use. And here is my API key ID, API key. So let's start. Whatever result we got, we will get into the result axious option. Different city by city, we will get some result. Uh, but we need a temperature. So the temperature cannot directly access result.data.main.temp. Here, its temperature was showing. So I write this in and store into data. Now let's get city weather API hit. Let's get weather API. Servers from server यानी कि जो I have once migrated. Request fail with status score 4. No, this was mm, this is server side API, and I hit request. So here you can see temperature 278.69, and it is in Kelvin also. And if I write here only this type, so I will got a full object temperature with weather base main means but I need to do only I need to result ની અંદર I need temperature as per assignment rule. So I got here, and in a meme controller I use get method, and in second one post method. In get method I need to do only this hit this API. I can directly use, but my task is to use with axious. In response I store this data and से बता दिया. So here is my meme API. Here meme get list. Okay, and localhost 3000, and my what is my router? So here is my router get all meme. Get all meme. Here is a full list of meme, but here is a okay. This is my API completed. Now I move forward to post API. In post API, I need to fill in post API. My task is to pass all this query to the server via post method. Um, Same as we write in the body, and by post method we those data we send those data to the server. Same here is we we wrote different queries, and these queries are all the queries will send needs to be sent to the server. And in server in which type of data server receives with a different query, means request.query.id, request.query.x0. Same, it will store the data. I will here show you meme controller here. So what I do, uh, every time I don't want to write all the queries. Okay, so all the request.query, every time I don't want to add because it is lengthy. So what I do, I use this operator triple dot data, means um, जितनी भी क्वेरी होगी ना, अगर एक है, दो है या तीन है, तो वो सब इसमें आ जाएगी, तो हमें बार बार लिखना नहीं पड़ता। तो ये हमारे लिए थोड़ा कोडिंग में भी अच्छी बात है। तो ये किया हमने, फिर देखो क्या होता है। हम्म, फिर मैंने एक्सेस कर लिया डेटा डॉट आई डी, डेटा डॉट टेक्स्ट जीरो, बिकॉज इट हैज ऑल द थिंग्स इन ऑब्जेक्ट। ओके, this URL I got from the server side. I only using here to access dynamic value. And now check here response. In response, I what I send response dot data dot data. Now let's check here, because here is same I use. So I here request dot data means sorry, response dot data means इसका डेटा। फिर उसके अंदर हमें क्या चाहिए, तो इसका डेटा चाहिए, डेटा डॉट डेटा लिखा। अब देखते हैं क्या होता है। नाउ मी में भी है, here I created with function of, without function of, if I click here and send, I will get image here with me. No, maybe some loading. Okay, none. Okay, here is my assignment. Thank you.